Okay, so now we're going to go back to our vase. Okay, now for this one, you're going to need to either move it into 3D modeling from here or come down to your gear and change it here. And your 3D modeling tools will show up. Now, all the other tools are still active. It's just giving you more visual options for 3D. Now, what we're going to do is underneath solid editing. All right. However, it is easier to find it under the solid tab. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go to the solid tab. And these are all the different things that you can do to either create a solid, change a solid, or manipulate any of it. So we're going to choose this. If you type in shell, you'll go to the operating system. So you need to back out of that and you want to go to shell. It's under solid edit. If you type solid edit in, shell will be one of the options. Okay. So I'm going to hit shell. And the first thing it wants me to do is select my object. I'm going to press enter. Oops, I'm not going to press enter. I'm going to press my shell. And before I do anything, I'm going to select this top piece to be a hollow. And so this is the face that will be removed, because remember, it's a vase, not a pipe, and I'll press enter. So then it's going to ask me the distance that I want it offset. Now you can either dictate it by clicking and dragging, or you can just tell it. So it's going to be a vase. So I'm going to make it pretty small. Okay. And I'm going to say okay. Okay. And as you can tell, it is now hollow. Okay. And it's more like a cup, but it's hollow completely. Ooh, I lost it now. Ooh, oh, there she blows. It's completely hollow inside. So that's how you're going to do the shell.